How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. So in Sweatcoin, you can simply go ahead and then withdraw money by winning or like buying the gift cards in the scheme. So you can simply view your like Sweatcoins. Mine is only like 5 Sweatcoins. So make sure you've got enough of those. You must have 5,000 Sweatcoins in order to get the first gift card. You will simply head towards the reward section. So once you're in reward section, you will unlock a buy option as well. So you can either win or buy a like gift card. So once you've done that, you can simply go ahead to the buy section and where you can buy the gift card. Once you purchase a gift card, like there will be like $5, $25 and $50 option. So once you raise the 5,000 Sweatcoins, you can simply purchase the $5 gift card. So once you purchase that, you simply go ahead, accept money through PayPal, and your rewards will be redeemed. So that's for the video. Hopefully this helped. Thank you.